Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the floorcare.biz x17SS side-by-side. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So say you have a damaged wheel, it's got gouges in it, or it's broken and you got to replace it. Super simple. Get yourself a 1/4 Allen head, and go ahead and take off the screw that holds the wheel to the machine. Just like that. And now your wheel just slides right off the shaft. Take your new wheel, reinstall it, just reverse. Put your new wheel back on the shaft. It's a good idea to put some Loctite on your bolt. Just tighten that bolt back down. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.